that is lovely. What the heck? What the heck? Oh, by the way, do not mind if I cough like 700 times in this video. Yeah, I'm gonna say.
Hey, yo, what the? Wait, hey, yo, everyone, hey, yo, there's a moderator in the game. That's my freaking moderator. No, oh my god. Oh my god. Can you hear this? Oh my god, what the fuck? I don't want to go, dude.
What the hell?
Batman, you're not watching. Batman says he's always watching me, but he's not right now. That's because Deadpool's watching instead.
No, like I said, I'm always watching.
Well, none of you are watching now.
I'm always watching at a different angle. You'll never know.
I have checked out the Metro update. You didn't check out this map.
Spider-Man! Not Deadpool! Wrong person! Spider-Man. That is not a person. I'm Spider-Proof. You get the long arm, no face.
Hey, yo, turn around, bro. Turn around.
I actually got long arms.
Orange, turn around. Yeah, I think this is meant to be. This would be the moss.
What'd you do?
And this would turn around, Greg. Greg, turn around. Another minute. Turn around. Turn around.
Yeah, you're right.
Turn around, boy. Now stand still. Turn around. Stand still.
New mate. What is it?
Everybody, give it up for our boy. Give it up for our boy.
Yo, Gerald, do you have anything to say to these people?
Oh.
No, Gerald.
No.
Everybody, Gerald has an inspirational message to say to all of y'all. What's up, Gerald?
This is Elizabeth. Tell it to me.
I would like you to listen. I'll put this up here. Toast it. I haven't.
Ready.
You melted it. Now, are you a fan?
Well, why the hell did
Yes, I'm literally a big fan.
Okay, then, somebody become tiny. Yo, are you a fan? Yo, tiny person, are you a fan? Because you're about to get blown away. Literally. Oh, come on. Literally.
Oh my gosh.
Literally.
Stop, boy.
Literally.
Let me see your big ring.
I'm a big Anyways, back to what I was saying. Gerald has a very inspirational message
For us all. Everybody give a round of applause to my boy Gerald. Come on, do it. Good. Yes,
How can I pitch climb up the rope?
Come on, give him some attention.
I'm fucking so hard.
Genuinely. How?
Oh, I'm coming in.
Oh my. Gerald! This is my toilet. I'll show you. Come here.
Gerald has 5 kids. Gerald has 5 kids to
The hell?
Oh,
God.
He's literally just a blend.
Anyway,
You can see this will become the
I'm not sure if you like
most famous
mushrooms,
blend.
I'm just not.
Oh, that's expensive.
Like you get disconnected from service.
Just
You keep getting disconnected or what?
Yeah, bro.
Right.
I'm getting disconnected. I don't know.
Right.
what? Trying to do a video.
If I guess how much shiny rocks you have, will you give me 2,000?
No, absolutely not. I'm not what kind of money?
Why? I hate this game.
Because I'm not. Because I'm broke. Maybe.
And I've got like £10.
Is there a window right there or
Oh,
what?
what?
I think there is.
Shit, I've only got like £5.
You look cool.
What do you mean?
Alright, what the?
Why? I'm
Why?
not
What did
even
he do?
asking. I have sticks on, that's why.
Why'd you
Is he like bothering you that he has
Also,
sticks?
I'm
You're
not
trying to
bothering
you.
Also, I'm not gonna last
You don't have sticks and he does. There's no sense in recording little chicken. The hell's that? I don't care about you. I see something like this. Oh, this is how I look. And Fatty don't have one
Oh,
of
it's actually disgusting.
I have no life.
Okay. What is MG, wasn't it? And then this is going to I know, the other ones.
Yo, the sticks
Stick
make
on
you
the
better.
phone.
A little bit, but I was tracking shit on Quest 3. Tracking's horrible. Oh my gosh. I didn't. Yeah, the Quest 3, the tracking is horrible. It's like so weird.
What do I know?
I'm on the Quest 3 right now. I'm gonna be quiet.
Can I mini rock? Tragedy? Where?
Damn!
Yeah.
I'm ill as well. So.
He's reporting me, buddy. He's
ill
false
as
reported the
well,
whole
so-
lobby. Guys, Noda false reported the whole lobby. He false reported the whole lobby.
What the hell, man?
Noda false reported the whole lobby. He did. Report Noda for false reporting.
Oh, mate, what the hell are you false reporting for, mate?
You're being toxic.
Who's false reporting?
He is.
Who's false
Why don't you
reporting?
want false reporting like me, bro?
He's saying that I'm false reporting even though I'm muting somebody and they're all getting muted.
Oh,
He's false reporting.
Yeah, see, he just left.
I can't. He doesn't like.
No.
He doesn't like your outfit, bro.
this poor girl.
I just.
I don't know if I'll buy this
Not
exactly as
that,
a
bro. What is that, bro? What exactly? What is that?
This looks.
Bro, what is that?
I know it's like glitch, so. I know it's like glitch to get like insanely this.
Rubber duck. Come here. I don't care. I don't give a crap.
Look on the
Let's see if this got like I can. He's addicted to Gorilla Tag, guys. He's addicted.
Wait,
Much.
I'll throw chicken wings.
Carrot nose. Yo, should I? Wait, you. You, dildo on your nose. Should I have a carrot or lightning bolt or glasses? You said the lightning bolt. I also have that.
What about a fingerprint? Yeah.
He is fat. He's queso, guys. He's fat. He's queso. That's why they did them. They're just mad. He's queso? Yeah, I'm so mad. I'm mad, guys. I'm mad. It's okay. We know you that you're bad.
Can you not?
Oh, is that me? I smell it, bro. I took my drink. How? Yeah, the marshmallow. Over here.
I'm going over you mini games, kid.
Yeah, buddy. Bye. Bye.
Okay, maybe.
What?
Hi, buddy. I know you're flattering yourself, though. It's fine. Yeah, I'm flattering myself, guys. I'm so flattered. We all know you're not getting that. Answer the question, buddy. That's purple. That's why you're wearing a top hat.
I like this.
What's wrong with top hat, guys? What's wrong with top hat? What is wrong with top hat?
Purple, what's wrong with propeller hat? Yeah, keep your mouth shut, bro. You can't be talking.
You're going to games trolling as a modder. You're literally a hypocrite if you're talking about my hat.
Also, I'm sorry to say
I'm a
that.
hypocrite.
What is this?
I don't ask you. I'm such a hypocrite.
Long arms and
Anyway, okay.
doing good.
I'm a hypocrite.
Yeah, you are.